Gaspy, what is the importance of being an opponist in a democratic country like Philippines?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Bea. Napakagaling na tanong na yan at magandang tanong. Well, as an oppositionist, we serve a very vital role in the government. Why? Because we serve as the check and balance of the government. We should be the first person to toe the line. And we also help maintain democracy. We are not here to criticize the Aquino administration. We are not here to destroy or to derail the projects of the Aquino administration. But we are here to support the Aquino administration and kaya nga tinatawag dito it is a complementary criticism, no? And the Aquino administration should welcome us. Because, you know, ladies and gentlemen, if to our televiewers, if the Aquino administration doesn't honor opinions from the opposition, then basically we are not on a democratic country.
Of course, nakita natin yan sa mga pinaglaban ni Congressman Mitos Magsaysay, no? So, sa ating pagtatapos, Gaspy, bilang isang oposisyon, bilang isang advocate ng good governance sa ating bansa, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga Pilipino na boboto ngayong eleksyon?
Well, to our televiewers and to my fellow men Filipinos, dapat tayo bumoto sa ating, kung ano yung nasa konsensya natin, sa ating isipan at sa puso. Because that is very important. Vote what is right and what is just for you. Vote Mitos Magsaysay, number 23 sa balota, ang puso at diwa ng mga kooperatiba. And vote Co-op Not Po Party List, number 51 sa balota, ang tinig at kakampi ng mga kooperatiba sa Kongreso. Yun lamang po ang aking masasabi at maraming salamat, Bea, sa pag-interview sa akin today. At mabuhay po ang sabayan ng Pilipino.
Hanggang sa muli po, hanggang sa susunod na Kapihan.
Si Mitos Magsaysay, ang bahala sa inyo.